there, viola players. Today we are going to be talking about the A major scale. And in order to play the A major scale, we always have to start on A. Good. So we're going to start on A, and we're going to end on A. Okay? And we're going to play all the notes in between. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and remember the alphabet starts all over again and goes back to A. Now we have to add in our accidentals. In the key of A, we have F sharps, C sharps, and G sharps. Okay? Now we have to figure out which fingers are we going to use in order to play these notes. So we are going to start on first finger on the G string. Okay? So after the first finger on the G string, we're going to go to B, which is second finger. Good. And remember, there is space in between these notes, so we're going to use a high 2. Then we have C sharp. C sharp is a note we learned. We're going to make our third finger higher. Go from natural to sharp. We're making it higher. So it's going to be a high third finger. So there's going to be space in between all of our notes on the G string. Then we're going to go ahead and play open D. First finger E. Remember, there's space in between E and F sharp. So that's going to be a high 2. Okay. Now G sharp. Normally when we put our third finger on the tape, this is called G natural. But because we want to raise it or go sharp, we're going to have to higher our finger. Okay? So that means that G sharp is going to be a high 3. And then, of course, we're going to play open A for A. Now, let's just go ahead and put in our half steps. So our half steps are going to be between C sharp and D and G sharp and A. So that means these notes are going to sound very close. Over here I have the notation. A starts on the second line from the bottom. Second line from the bottom. Then we have B, C sharp. Notice how it's a high 3. D, E, F sharp. Played with the high 2. G sharp is played with that high 3 and then open A. Again, with our half steps between C sharp and D and G sharp and A. Okay, let's go ahead and finger through this together. We have first finger A on the G string, B, C sharp. Notice how there's space between all of our fingers on the G string. Then go ahead and play open D, first finger E, second finger F sharp, and we're raising that G to a G sharp. So we're going to play a high third finger and then open A. Let's go ahead and play that with half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C sharp, open D, E, F sharp, G sharp, open A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, and A. Good. Now let's play 4 quarter notes to every note. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. that is the A major scale.